Hi Virgos, and welcome to your monthly reading for the month of July 2020. And if you are watching my video for the first time, may I request you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon if you enjoy watching such videos. And I'm so excited to do your reading for the month of July, Virgos. We've had some pretty amazing energies playing out for other signs, so I so want to see how things are going to work out for you. So moving forward, let's see what is coming up for the sign of Virgo in the month of July. Okay, we have a Six of Pentacles and a Two of Pentacles. We have a Four of Cups. We have a Six of Swords and a Nine of Pentacles and a Four of Swords. Wow, you have quite a few pentacles and swords, Virgos. Just give me a moment. I feel that Virgos, some kind of work opportunity or maybe financial opportunity could come your way in the month of July. If salary has not been coming in, or if money matters have been something that's on your mind for most of the time, things are going to look a little better in the month of July. I also feel that you must not involve yourself in any conversations or maybe arguments with authoritative figures. If there is a decision impending right now, it could come in your favor. I also see that you are so ready to move on. You want to explore, you want to go out, you want to do something else, something other than what you have been you know busy with or engaged in for quite a while now. I also feel that there is an inner urge, and it's not so strong right now because when I'm recording, we are still not in the month of July. But as you see, as you pass through the month, you will see that this inner urge is going to keep growing and pushing you to do something for yourself. Maybe take an independent decision, or maybe you have, come up with a new idea to create more sources of money for yourself. I am also feeling that you are willing to take some risks at this moment in time with regards to money. So maybe some of you may even think about applying for a new job or in a new position in the same place, or to different organization, or maybe a different position in the same place if I've already mentioned that. So that is a possibility in the month of July for you Virgos. I also see that you are willing to experiment. So if maybe in whatever industry you're working in, or even if you're not employed, you could be thinking on unconventional terms. So, or maybe, try to do something that you haven't tried your hands at before. And I also feel that the situation around you is not up to your expectations, and quite a lot of us are feeling that way. And I still feel that you have a lot of achievements on your back, Virgos. And I also feel that it is due to this lack of contentment, you may want to take a chance or maybe move away from a person, position, a place, a situation, or maybe some kind of resolution. I also feel that, yes, with the Two of Wands appearing in your card, if you can see, I'm getting this a very strong message that you are actually feeling like I so can move on right now. I can so want to do something else and achieve that as well. That feeling is going to be inside of you. And with your experience or maybe that confidence backing this feeling, you might just go forward and take that next step, and something that we call as leap of faith. I also feel, Virgos, some kind of financial benefits are coming to you in the month of July, but this could be towards the end of July. You will definitely have, you will smell this coming to you maybe in the third week of July. And I also feel that that's not it. You may just see about 30% of what's coming to you, but a lot may be revealed to you later on. But you are definitely not going to sit and wait for this. I see you being proactive and moving on. There's also a Queen of Swords in your reading, and she says that now she is ready to make her own decisions, to take her own decisions and work on them. She is not going to wholly solely depend on what's coming to her from external sources or maybe from someone. So this codependence or maybe this dependent feeling has got to go for you in the month of July, Virgos. I also feel that you're going to be feeling a lot of closeness or this need to rebond or bond or connect or go meet, visit your mother, a motherly figure, or maybe just talk if you're too far away. I also see a lot of fatherly blessings coming to your sign. So if you have been feeling a little away or maybe distant from your father or such a figure, I see that blessing upon you, Virgos. So when you're connecting with the motherly energy and you're connecting with you're already getting the fatherly blessings, you are definitely, you have that emotional support and the much needed backing that you so need right now. I also feel that you could be taking some strong decisions where you will not be very emotional about those decisions. And as I have been speaking in the month of July, I see these transformations or these changes happening from your side more than coming from the external source. External source may be just a trigger, but you will be the one taking these decisions. I also see that you are not ready to open and discuss these ideas or these whatever you have in mind with other people or those around you. But you actually are not open to scrutiny and any kind of criticism right now. So you're going to keep a lot of these things under wrap, a lot of your ideas under wrap, and just hope, wish, and pray that they come true or they just fall in the right place. What else am I getting? I'm also seeing that you could be worried around money because of, when you have to make a decision that could involve some kind of capital investment or maybe some kind of investment or maybe, the money that's got to come in from the external factors, external sources to you. However, I feel that you're going to be okay, so don't worry yourself too much. I'm also seeing a new relation or maybe someone that you could become fond of in the month of July, and this is happening towards the end. And that's going to give you heart very special feeling, a little jumpy feeling, and you could want to weave some dreams around this person or maybe in this relationship. But I don't have anything negatives to say. I'm also getting the card of 10 of cups. So along with a 2 of cups, I'm getting the 10 of cups here, Virgos. I have some good news for you. And maybe if you were a Virgo and you happen to know me, even if you do not know me, you can comment below and let me know how these cards are playing out in your life. I am so seeing a very good bond or the beginning of a good relationship in the month of July for you, Virgos. Maybe it's a long due expectation you have in your life, or maybe it's something you have been waiting for so long, or maybe you have really needed at this point in time. That much needed emotional support is going to happen to you in the month of July, and this is towards the end. So I'm being drawn to pull out some angel cards for you, and let's see what the angels have to say for you, Virgos. Oof, we began on a heavy note for you, not very heavy though, but I feel very positive about your sign. And let's see what's coming up, what the angels have to say for the sign of Virgos. in the month of July 2020. What do you say, angels? All right. My Archangel Jeremiel tells me the card of life review is here. So take inventory of your life and resolve to change or heal anything that is unbalanced. I have noticed something with my angels and archangels, and what is happening here is that every sign that I pull out an angel card for, I'm getting the card maybe as the first or the second card for the next sign that I already have seen in the previous one. So these angels are so closely connected to all of us that this could be a phase in life or a time in life, but where we're sharing these feelings, we're sharing this time, we're sharing these emotions with our fellow beings. So, life review, the card of life review tells you take inventory of your life and resolve to change or heal anything that is unbalanced. So, if you have been overworked and not rested, take care there. If you have been overthinking, take care there. If you've not been cautious about your health, you need to take care there. Whatever it is, you would know, Virgo, what that situation is in your life. I also have another card, which is an amazing, amazing card. Take a look. Do you see? This is the card of spiritual understanding, Virgos. And Archangel Raziel says, I'm bringing you esoteric information and symbols and helping you understand spiritual truths. So, Virgos, now is the time that you pay attention to your dreams, and maybe even in the last few weeks, also you have noticed that you could be given this higher guidance, and your confidence may stem from that fact, that there is someone out there watching out for you, and that the time is just right to go ahead with what you want. So when you're feeling the need to push forward and do something you haven't already done in your life, and to take that leap of faith, you might be divinely guided to it, and I know that you will be. So pay attention to these, your dreams, your symbols, these signs. They may come in many different forms. So don't be rigid. Maybe try learning more about angel signs and how they can appear in your life, or what you were thinking when you're getting this sign, or maybe you asked for something and you get a sign. So Virgo's a very, very positive month. I see something somewhere. I feel that a lot of soul growth is meant for you in the month of July 2020. So, with those blissful energies, I leave you here. Allow this information to assimilate for a few minutes after you have seen this reading. And please do comment below and let me know how did you find this reading, or maybe how these energies are playing out in your life. Maybe you're already passing through this as you hear this message. And to give it a thumbs up. And until we meet again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, guys. Bye bye, and wish you all the very best.